Welcome to the Go for Green homepage. Go for Green is a Department of Defense initiative that optimizes service member performance, readiness, and health through nutrition. Let's take a look at some features to help you maximize the Go for Green program at your facility. Service members can discover how to optimize nutrition and go for green anywhere. The implementation timeline guides you on how to implement or improve your Go for Green program. You can download and print posters, brochures and signage, food and beverage cards, menu signs, and table tents to promote Go for Green. Explore pre-coded recipes and sample menus to create a high-performance menu. Looking to refresh your menu or add new flavors or serving stations? Get inspired with Go for Green's 21-day sample menus and Go for Green's guideline cards. Training is also a key component of Go for Green planning and implementation. Follow these steps for online training setup. Find frequently asked questions to help get you started. Thank you for being a Go for Green champion. For more information, send us an email or find us on Facebook.